Every year, college football fans kick off the new season with a celebration. But how do SEC fans ring in August? Over the weekend, Alabama's beach towns welcomed thousands of fans to Gulf Shores and Orange Beach for the second SEC Beach Fest.
It's just such a wonderful activity for families to come to. We have beach concerts on Friday and Saturday night. We have a fishing tournament that's new this year. We also have a golf scramble. And then we have all of the things you see here in the fan zone fueled by BP.
From golf scrambles and fishing tournaments to beach concerts and the BP Fan Zone, this festival has been bringing fans together for the past 2 years. But what they're really here for is to meet and mingle with the star players and coaches from yesteryear.
You know, I think the thing that's impressive to me is I'm a fan at heart, you know, more than anything. And so I get a chance to see the coaches that I watched as a kid, Vince Dooley, Pat Dye. So, you know, those things are great. And to connect with players from all different generations, whether you're talking about guys you played against or guys that came before you or came after you, everybody can kind of get together and relate because we all share that special experience of playing what is considered to be the best conference in all of college football.
Although everyone would agree this is the official kickoff party for the SEC season, not everybody could agree on who will be crowned the SEC champion this year.
If you ask 99% of the people right now, they'd say it'd be Alabama and Georgia back in the championship game, and I'd like for that to happen.
If Alabama can beat A&M in College Station, then I think the rest of the schedule sort of favors them, really.
Really, there's probably 2 or 3 teams on each side of the divisions that could be in it, and that's what makes our conference so special.
In Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, I'm Hannah Chalker, SEC Football Tonight.